got my Brazil visa work done. So yeah, I'm staying at the Trident Hotel here. It's just like 300 meters away from the Consulate General of Brazil. So yeah, pretty convenient for me so far. I arrived quite early in the morning. The Trident staff was very welcoming. They also offered me free breakfast, and they did get me early check-in. So yeah, overall a great day so far, and it's been a very good weather here in Mumbai. I just wanted to share a glimpse to you guys as well. Hi everyone, so I've just been roaming around Mumbai now, and we are sort of at an oval Maidan. It has a nice clock tower, and I don't know, like it gives like some kind of Hogwarts vibe. I don't know. Really liking Mumbai so far, having a great experience. I didn't expect all of this, to be honest, but yeah, Mumbai has been making me happy so far. So yeah, let's see. So this is the Flora fountain. It's starting to get sunny here, but yeah, let's head to Gateway of India now. Hi everyone, it's my last day here in Mumbai, and I said I was gonna visit a lot of places yesterday, but it started raining and I felt really lazy to go out. Had done a lot of stuff in the hotel already. So yeah, but we are gonna be checking out soon, and the flight is at 9 p.m. though, so it's somewhere around 1 p.m. So I'll just drop my luggage here in the hotel itself and go visit a few places. So yeah, let's just do that, and let's see. Let's just have a quick stroll through Marine Drive. So I think now you have to do some security check-in before you can actually visit near the Gateway of India. That is pretty new because there is no such system, at least near the India Gate. So yeah, let's just go and check out the place. There's also Ganpati Bappa here, which is quite nice. So I think the place is a bit crowded, and I think the gateway is sort of being renovated or something, because you can see sort of like some work going on over there. Yeah, I mean, I was sort of expecting something different. I don't know what. I don't even know what that something different would be. But yeah, not this for some reason. Other than that, I think the Taj looks really good. I mean, the pictures, you know, it is good. I don't know much what to say right now, because I think I have been living in the Marine Drive area, and I've sort of gotten used to it. This side of Bombay feels a bit different, although it's like a kilometer away. So, yeah. So I found this very cool study center apparently. A lot of people have been studying here. It's just like an open area where you can just come and sit and study. That seems quite interesting, at least to me. Never seen anything like this. It's like the older days of having something equivalent to Starbucks, where you can just go and sit and, you know, work on your things and just exist peacefully. So yeah, nice. Hi guys, so we are at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport here in Mumbai, and we're going to be ending the Mumbai tour now. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a glimpse of the airport. There's a nice statue over there. Yeah, being nice. Let's just dig in and see. I mean, like, I was at the airport when I came here, but yeah, I need to see how it functions. Last time I just exited.